In a multicultural tourism workplace, understanding and common cultural practices is essential. Even simple gestures like handshakes may have different meanings depending on guest background. Professional staff must recognize these differences, respond respectfully, and ensure a comfortable experience for all guests.
Mabuhay!
Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunrise Hotel. We're glad to have you with us today. How may I assist you?
Good afternoon. We have a reservation under the name Abdul Alasan.
Thank you, sir. May I please see a valid ID so I can check your booking?
Yes, Mr. Arasan, your reservation is confirmed for 2 nights.
Nice to meet you, sir. Oh, sorry. Did I do something wrong?
Not at all. We apologize if it seemed awkward. In our religion, my husband avoids physical contact with women who are not part of his family.
I understand. Thank you for explaining that, ma'am.
Yes, this is our Islamic practice. We show respect through words and behaviors rather than physical gesture.
Thank you for sharing that, sir. We appreciate the clarification.
I sincerely apologize if my gestures made you uncomfortable.
No offense was taken. We understand that customs differ.
If you don't mind me asking, is there anything else we should be aware of to make your stay more comfortable?
We appreciate you asking. We usually prefer a quiet room, especially during prayer time.
Of course, may I ask what time you usually observe prayer so we can avoid disturbances?
We pray 5 times a day, but we are flexible as long as the room is peaceful.
Thank you for sharing that. I'll assign you a room from elevators and noisy areas.
In some cultures and religions, physical contact, especially between men and women who are not related, is avoided as a sign of respect. Without awareness, even friendly gestures may unintentionally cause discomfort.
Ma'am, regarding the breakfast,
Possible, we usually handle communication regarding arrangement.
thank you, sir, for letting me know.
That is correct. But I appreciate your politeness.
Thank you for guiding us. We'll address requests through as user, unless stated otherwise.
Regarding dining, would you prefer halal food during your stay?
Thank you. That would be greatly appreciated.
We can offer halal certified meals and we can provide a menu list anytime.
That would be wonderful. Thank you for your consideration.
It's our pleasure. Our goal is to respect every guest's cultures and beliefs.
In some cultures, communication roles within couples may differ. Respecting these preferences shows professionalism and cultural awareness.
Here is your room key. If you need a prayer mat or direction to prayer area, please let us know.
Thank you. Your understanding makes us feel very welcome.
Yes, we truly appreciated how professionally this was handled.
We're honored to have you with us. Please enjoy your stay.
If you need any assistance, don't hesitate to contact us. Enjoy!
This way, ma'am, sir. Your room, sir.
Mabuhay!
This interaction demonstrates how awareness of cultural norms, respectful communication, and professional service can recover, prevent misunderstanding in the tourism workplace. By adjusting gestures, listening carefully, and offering accommodation like halal meals and quiet rooms, staff ensure that all guests feel respected and welcome.